This video will go over the answers to 6.6. We know that kites have perpendicular diagonals, so this is a 90-degree angle here. They tell us that VYZ is 49 degrees. So if we want to figure out this missing one, we can take 90 minus 49, and our answer is 41 degrees. Here's a few things we know about number 2. The diagonals are perpendicular, so these are 90-degree angles here. We know that this entire angle is 104 degrees, and we figured out earlier that this was 41 degrees over here, and 49 degrees here, which means this is 49 degrees. So this is 41 degrees. So to figure out this missing angle, we take 104 minus 41, and the answer is 63 degrees. Number 3 asks us about XWZ, so that's this angle here. We know 104 is on this side. This one is opposite that. That's 104. Those two are the equal angles on a kite. We know if we add these two together, we get 98. 49 plus 49. So if you take 360 and you subtract all of those three known angles, what's left is 54 degrees, which is the answer to XWZ. In number 4, to figure out the angle A, for this trapezoid, we take 180 minus 74. And what's left is 106, and there's our answer. For number 5, diagonals are going to be congruent in these isosceles trapezoids. So if the entire SV is 23.3 and RW is 17.7, this missing piece we can subtract 23.3 minus 17.7. What's left is 5.6, and that's our answer. For number 6, if we set these two equal to each other, we can subtract 7z squared from both sides. We can divide both sides by 5, and then we take the square root of both sides, and we get a plus or minus 2 as our final answer. In number 7, the mid-segment is the average of the two. So if we went minus 8 to get to the middle, we would go minus 8 again, and this brings us to 14. So QR is equal to 14. For number 8, to find that mid-segment, I'm going to add the two distances and divide by 2. This is going to give me 9.5, which is the distance of AZ. For number 9, kites have perpendicular diagonals, so I'm going to take 90 minus 39, and this will give me 51 degrees for angle 1. For angle 2, I can label this as 74 degrees, and this is 90. Then, to find angle 2, I'm going to take 90 minus 74, and what I get is 16 degrees. For 11, imagine this is my kite. The diagonals are always going to be perpendicular. We'll have those 90-degree angles all the way around. That's true. And one pair of opposite angles is going to be congruent. These are going to be congruent. And it's also true that two pairs of consecutive sides are congruent. These are going to be congruent, and these are going to be congruent. H was the one that's never true. We're never going to have opposite sides be parallel.